All right, welcome to Mike's Milepost dispatches from Cumberland, Maryland. This is going to be a quick 3 to 5 minute little podcast slash video thing slash something else that whatever the kids are doing these days that's cool. We're just going to do little news from here up in the mountain Maryland area. All right, so for today, it is currently 74 degrees and beautiful clear skies here in Cumberland. Humidity 34%, no chance of precipitation. Your triggering plants will be grasses, walnut, and oak. The sun sign is currently Gemini. It's a waxing crescent moon. Let's see here. Civil twilight will be today at 9:14 and 1:17. Who knows what that means? It'll be a 15 an hour and 1 minute day length today. Let's see what other interesting tidbits we have. There is 0% chance of an aurora at this location tonight. The nearest earthquake occurred 1 day, 5 hours ago. A magnitude 2.4 quake hit 8 kilometers northeast of Bel Air, North Maryland. There are currently 166 quote-unquote thermal anomalies within 500 kilometers here. This thing really loves the metric system, by the way. Let's see here. The nearest hydrosphere gauge is in Wills Creek. Its discharge is currently 80.7 cubic feet per second. There we go, some good old feet. Let's see here. 20 species have been observed within 50 kilometers of here in the last 3 days. The most notable was a blue-winged warbler was found on Russell Road within 7 days. The Dow Jones today is closing at 52,000. Let's see here. Everything else looks boring. The top song, Janice STFU by Drake. The top album, You Seem Pretty Sad for a Girl So in Love by Olivia Rodrigo. The top movie is Disclosure Day. Top app was Peacock TV. Top podcast is The Daily. And the top book is Tanner by Samantha Sky. Let's see here. What else do we need to know? Oh, today in 1846, the Papal Conclave of, guess what, 1846, elects Pope Pius IX, beginning the longest reign in the history of the papacy. Let's see here. In 1871, the Universities Tests Act 1871 allows students to enter the universities of Oxford, Cambridge, and Durham without religious tests. And lastly, 1903, Roald Admets, yeah, we're going to butcher that name, leaves Oslo, Norway to commence the first east-west navigation of the Northwest Passage. And that is your news. That's your dispatch. We're going to leave you with the Wheel of Many Trades. We're going to go ahead and spin the wheel and see what trade you should be working on and honing your craft until we meet again next time. And here we go for the spin. In testing, is always coming up photography. Oh, it didn't this time. This time it's 3D printing. So there you go. Work on your 3D printing skills until we meet next time. And with that, I'm Mike. Thanks for watching the Milepost Dispatches. We'll see you next time.